walk around here. I got it. I always got my good toothbrushes. Put your feet on the ground. That's right. Usually they will be covered by berry filter, so I took the whole toothbrush. The owner is the first photograph of community. That is the name of the pond right next to you. Did you go back to the Continue. I don't know how to put this in. Okay. Is it better to say? Okay, so that is the first purple garden for the Queen. So that is the name of a pond right next to us. So if you look to your left side, you can actually see the pond with the big eyes. Underneath it, of course, there's the water. And I know it sounds a bit strange, but you would understand how many questions I had where actually water is underneath the ice. And if you just look at the shape of this place, you can actually find out that there are two different shapes that compose this place. The one is that the rounded island in the middle with the trees are on. You see that? The other one is a square shape of surface of water. Because these two shapes were created based upon the traditional perception universe back then. They believed that the sky looked round and the earth looked rectangular, because each shape symbolized the sky and the earth. A little upper near left that way, you can see that small but beautiful structure building is called Gyeongjang. That literally means a lotus flower in full bloom. And you can actually see like almost like half a building at the water side. That was where a king is going fishing, enjoying flowers, or improvising the poem with his officials. Since the royal families were two precious people, I guess like standing next to the water side with a dozen layer of like satin sachet colorful dresses. So having a student set back in the building, they might feel like them seated in the boat in the water. And the next building is located up that side. You see that the two-story building on the hill behind me? Yeah, the first floor is called Gyeongjang. That was built in 1776 as a royal library. Second floor was a study, and the whole library was where they used to store all these private kings' portraits, writings, poems, or some sort of family trees too. And we did have 27 kids back then, so you would imagine like how many family books we might have, not to mention like extended families as well. And all of those things were like made of paper, specifically like mulberry paper, the rice paper, the same like to touch the doors in the buildings up there. Well, actually, it doesn't matter what kind of paper they were made of, because all of those paper got the same critical weakness. They were all weak to the water or the humid weather, like a summer in Korea. And therefore, to have the better preservation building, I mean,